Welcome back to Module 3.5. In this video, let's take a look at the order operations containing decimal numbers. So we're gonna treat these just like whole numbers and fractions, where we're gonna identify our terms first and then work what's within each term. So as you can recall, we use addition and subtraction signs outside the parenthesis to separate terms. So this plus sign outside the parenthesis tell me what's in front of it is actually a term. What's behind it is actually another term. So all these guys go together. So it looks like my second term has a lot of stuff going on. So we will do division and we will do multiplication from left to right. All right, so this takes a little bit of work. So let's do this on the side, okay? 32.64 divided by 6.4. So when I divide it by decimal, the divisor got to be a whole number, so that got to be 64. I'm moving the decimal to the right one place. So my dividend, I will do the same, move to the right one place, so that will be between the 6 and the 4 now. All right, so my decimal is right here. Round my answer to the nearest hundredth, so we got to keep that in mind, okay? So if I need to continue to divide, I do need the hundredth place, and I might need the thousandth place. So I know how my hundredth place is gonna be rounded. All right, let's check it out. 6 going to 32 about 5 times. I think it will work. 5 times 4 is 20, carry 2. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. If I subtract, oh, I got lucky. That's 6. Bring down to 4. 64 going to 64 exactly 1 time. All right, so my division give me exactly 5.1. So now the 5.1 would need to multiply the 4.8. So this is still my second term in blue. All right, plus sign still right here. 45.2 still in front of it because the first term has no operation. So now let's do some multiplication real quick. Multiplying decimals, let's treat it like you know what? I'm going to move this slightly over, okay? All right. Oh, Lord. Okay. Let's do some multiplication here. 5.1 times 4.8. Let's multiply them like whole numbers. That's 8, 40. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Add them up. 8, 4, 4, 2. 2 decimal place, so count it backwards. So that will be between the two 4s. So what's coming out of the blue is really 24.48. All right, plus sign still in front. My first term is still 45.2. So now I would just need to do a quick addition. So let me erase this. I'm kind of running out of space here. You know what? I don't want to erase. Let's just move them around. So let's slide this over a little bit. Okay. Maybe I can just slide this problem down. How about that? There you go. All right, let's do a quick addition here. So that's 45.2 plus 24.48. So I'm adding. I know it's a 0 here. 0 plus 8 still 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. This is a 9. That's a 6. So my actual answer, 69.68. So my 8 is on the 100th place, which I do have. Okay, there's no other place decimal behind the 8. So this is my complete answer. All right, let's do another one. Looking for addition and subtraction sign outside the parentheses. So one right here. In front of it, got to be 1 term. Behind it, got to be 1 term. So my first term has multiplication. My second term, I have a division in the parenthesis because within the parenthesis, there's 1 subtraction sign right here. So I got to do the division first before I can get subtracted by 8.9. Well, let's do the yellow first, okay? Let's do the yellow first. 8.8 times 2.8. So 8 times 8 is 64, carry 6. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 plus 6 is 70. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17. So that's 4642. All right. So my count, I got 2 decimal places, so that's counted backwards. So that will be right here. 24.64 is what coming out of my first term. Let me write it down here. 24.64 plus. All right, let's see what's come out of the second one. Do what's inside the parenthesis first, then do the division before the subtraction. So 8.2 divided by 4.1. If you're good, that's actually about 2 times. That's actually about 2 times because my divisor has 1 decimal place, so I got to move to the right one. So that make it 41. My 8.2, again, dividend, move to the right 1 place because the divisor moved to the right 1 place. That's 82. So 41 going to 82 about 2 times. Okay. So the division give me a 2, gets subtracted from 8.9. So 8.9 minus 2 is about, what coming out of the parenthesis is going to be 6.9. So the 6.9 now we'll need to multiply the 2.6. All right, so let's check it out. 2.9 times 6, 2.6 times 6.9. 9 times 6 is 54, carry 5. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. 6 times 6 is 36, carry 3. 12 plus 3, 15. All right, that's 4, 9, 7, 1. All right, so count 2 decimal places. So backwards, that will be 17.94. So my first term is 24.64 still. So what's come out of blue, and it turns out to be 17.94. All right, so let's add one more time, okay? 24.64. Now let's add 17.94. That's 8, 15. That's 12. That's 2, 3, 4. So my final answer, 42.58. Very, very, very much similar to order operation with whole numbers. Okay, so I just got couple examples just to kind of get us used to multiply, divide, add, and subtract with decimals involving with order operations. All right, that will conclude this lecture video. Thank you for watching.